Hey guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam. You guys, today is going to be a really quick video. I wanted to come in here because I am re-braiding my hair again, and I don't know why in the world this piece of hair looks like this. I don't know what's going on. And if you guys hear my son keep saying ammo, it's because I got him right here. Ammo, love bug. And he's watching Ammo. So this is just giving you guys old school YouTube again, because I am still not at home, but I am still faithful to y'all and getting these videos out here, even with my son right here talking about Ammo. So I am still currently here in Atlanta. Ammo, love bug. I am still currently here in Atlanta, and it's 11:20 at night, but I started. Today is October 6th. So I'm sorry if I kind of seem all over the place, but today is October 6th. It's 11:20 at night, and I've already started doing half of my hair. This is another braid update video, and I'm gonna get into the reason of why I came in here. But I've already started rebraiding just this half of my hair, and I wanted to show you guys what my hair looked like before I finished this half of my hair. But this half of it is already done. I think I've stopped right here in the middle, so all of this is done. Only the front half, like I'm only braiding this front half, and then this front half is not done. So the reason why I'm coming in here is because I've only achieved just these couple of braids right here, from here down to my ear, and this is how much hair I've lost already. Like this is a grip of hair. Like I'm not even playing about the amount of hair that I'm losing. So I'm really trying to stay on my prenatals. I don't know why I'm losing so much hair like this. Like, I don't know. I really just don't know. But I've just gotten this little patch done, and I've lost this amount of hair. I am gonna finish on the other side. Like I said, today is October 6th. Here, sit down. Good job. Today is October 6th. I have rebraided my whole head. I think it was like September 14th. So I'm like 6 or 5 days away from my hair growing back out a month. So I'm 1 month of my hair growing back out, and I'm just like, okay, like my edges needed to be redone. And I was thinking, since it hasn't been the full 6 weeks and I'm out of town, and I know that my edges need to be done, and my braids are so big, like literally I got half of the front of my head done like that, and I'm gonna finish the right side of my head tomorrow. But just coming on here to tell you guys how it's going. I'm still rubbing my lotion bar on my hair, but I'm just losing a lot of hair. So I think, come here, say hi. Did you say hi? Good job, little bug. Okay, so you guys are gonna see the top of his head, but I think what I'm gonna start doing is spraying my hair maybe once a week with like a tea rinse or something like that, to see if it will help my hair stop shedding. And because I just rebraided just this front part of my hair, I don't know if I'm gonna go in and rebraid my whole head 2 weeks later, because I'm gonna still be here in Atlanta. Yeah, so I'm gonna still be here in Atlanta. So I think I'm gonna just keep rebraiding the front part of my hair. But I think that's what I'm gonna start doing, is once a week I'm gonna start doing tea rinses or maybe tea sprays. But I'm most definitely gonna come back on here and let you guys know which one I'm gonna be doing, because that's the way that I got my hair to stop shedding when I first took my micro mini braids out when I was 5 months postpartum. I took all of my braids out and literally all of my edges fell out. I will insert a couple of pictures. Now my edges have grown back, and this is after a setback from me doing my mini twist in my hair. Like, my edges came out. My mini braids are not tight. I am making sure that I'm not braiding my edges tight, but I think my hair is just shedding. Like, it's not breaking off from like the ends, is like literally just coming out. So I think I need to do like another tea rinse. I most definitely need to stay up on my prenatals. I hate taking pills, but I think that's really going to help me out with this. And then also, like, I've been tying up my hair at night, so I'm gonna try to figure out a couple of more things that I could possibly do to help my hair stop shedding, because I want to get this down. This is my second rebraiding, but like I said, I'm only gonna do the front. This is my second rebraiding, and I don't want this amount of hair to come out anymore, so I am gonna keep all of my hair to try to compare it. I am going to keep all of my hair to try to compare it, but that's a lot of hair. One thing that I have noticed, I have gotten the Cantu argan oil leave-in conditioner, and my hair absolutely hates it now. Like, I don't know if they changed the formula. I did rock with the original Cantu leave-in conditioner, just to tell you guys kind of what I've been putting on my hair, because I've been here in Atlanta and I've been trying to find something that can moisturize my hair other than water. But I really wish I would have packed my own hair products, because I am really sucking without my hair products. And I know you guys are probably like, why don't you just get Mane and Tail? Because I've started making my own hair leave-in conditioner products and it beats Mane and Tail. And now I'm just like, dang, I really should have brought my leave-in conditioner. I brought some of my leave-in conditioner for my cousin, but I didn't pack enough for myself, and I'm really regretting that now. I brought my lotion bar for my hair because I knew I was going to be rebraiding it, but I just need something to spray and then some liquid moisture to like put off in my hair, because it's so much drier here in Atlanta. Yeah, love bug. It's so much drier here in Atlanta, and I really feel it like throughout my hair and my scalp. So for those of you that have questions to me about like your hair constantly being dry, yeah, good job. Look, watch. Like I told you guys before, you might want to look at your climate and just adapt to your climate. If you need to spray your hair more with water, if you need to do more deep conditioner treatments, because Seattle is not, it's not hot and moist like it is here, but I feel the air is a lot more drier here. I feel the air is a lot more drier here than it is in Seattle, obviously. And I feel like my hair is a lot more drier here because of the air being different. But I know that my son's hair hates that Cantu argan oil. Like, his hair is so dry. And my hair hates that leave-in, so I've been trying to find a really good leave-in, and I should just go and get Mane and Tail because that's bae. But I really didn't want like that big bottle of Mane and Tail, but I guess I can do it. Like, I guess I can just go and get it. But this is just a really quick update of what I'm doing with my hair, how much hair I've lost so far. I am gonna leave a clip in here showing you guys my finished results and how much hair I lost, and I'll do a voiceover. So yeah, you guys, just coming in here really quick, checking in, being real with my hair. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.